Hey guys, Jolene here with Home Stitchery Decor. Did you know that Printify now has a pop-up shop feature right on Printify? So you don't have to connect an Etsy store. You don't have to connect a Shopify store. So go ahead and create your Printify account. I'll put my affiliate link in the video description and a QR code here, I think, somewhere as well. And once you're in there, click on your account and you're going to click Add a New Store. And now you want to click Printify Pop-Up Shop. Once you've selected your store name and accepted the terms and conditions, you're going to have access to the complete catalog of Printify products. And the only thing you need to do is create your products and then share the links for the products. And if you've connected all your banking information, you're going to get paid that way. Stay tuned for the next video and I'm going to show you how.